Today I would like to share a really good storage solution for when you're out hiking with your drone and you have the drone flying and tracking you with active track, for example, and then you don't want to have the remote in your hand because it looks kind of stupid and it's not that natural. The first thing I do is to take off the sticks here and I let them be stored here at the back. The next thing is that I have these, it's a chest pouch, and this one is from 511. So I have it like this, and then you just clip it on here on the sides, like that, and on the other side. And I actually have this one a lot when I'm out running as well, because it makes it so much handier to store things that you would like to have. And here I have lots of storage compartments. Here I have one here, I have a mesh storage here, I have a bigger compartment here with lots of, well, storage solutions here on the inside. Here I can attach my keys also. And the best thing is, whenever the drone is up into the air and I just would like to store this for a little while, I can just put it here, I can close this one, and now we can walk. And if I need to do something with the remote, I can just open, and then I have the remote here, super handy. And this is one of the best pouches I've ever found that I use more or less every single day nowadays. And that is especially good if you don't need to have a big backpack on your back, because this one is accessible everywhere. And if you don't want to have it in there, we have this mesh pouch here as well, so you can just put it down like that. And when I'm out traveling, I have this one as well, because I have my wallet and my passport. I think is very handy, close to my chest, so I know exactly where it is. Next thing we're gonna do, that is to see each other in that video up here, because I love to see you in more videos. It's just fantastic. Thank you so much for your support. Have a good one. Bye.